Have you ever felt weighed down by the challenges of life? Like no matter what you achieve, it feels like something is missing? Gratitude is not just a key, it's a transformative force that can unlock a whole new way of seeing the world, filled with hope and optimism. Gratitude isn't about ignoring life's difficulties or pretending everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on what's going right, even in the smallest of moments. When you practice gratitude, you train your brain to look for the good. And trust me, there's always something good to find. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and instead of thinking about the long to-do list or the problems awaiting you, you take a moment to appreciate the soft sunlight streaming through your window, the warmth of your coffee, or even the fact that you woke up at all. These little moments of gratitude can reshape your entire day. Science backs this up. Studies show that people who practice gratitude consistently experience improved mental health, stronger relationships, and greater resilience in the face of adversity. Why? Because gratitude shifts your focus. Instead of dwelling on what's lacking, you start seeing what's abundant. And it's not just about personal benefits. Gratitude helps you connect with others on a deeper level. When you express genuine thanks to someone, you strengthen your bond with them. Think about the last time someone sincerely thanked you. How did it make you feel? A simple thank you can brighten someone's day and foster a sense of belonging. So how can you cultivate gratitude in your life? It's simpler than you think. Start small. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's a kind word from a friend, a meal you enjoyed, or even a moment of peace during a hectic day. This simple practice empowers you, rewiring your brain and making gratitude your default mindset. Another powerful exercise is to reflect on past challenges and recognize the growth they brought you. Gratitude isn't just about celebrating the highs, it's about finding meaning in the lows. The struggles you've faced have shaped who you are today, and that in itself is something to be thankful for. As you embrace gratitude, you'll notice something amazing. Your perspective begins to change. The things you once took for granted start to feel like blessings. The people in your life become treasures, and the challenges, they become opportunities to grow. Gratitude doesn't solve all your problems, but it does give you the strength to face them with a lighter heart and a clearer mind. It's a simple yet profound shift that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. So what are you grateful for today? Take a moment right now to think of one thing you're grateful for and share it in the comments below. By sharing your gratitude, you're not only spreading positivity, but also becoming part of a supportive community. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a chance to grow with us. As we always say at the end of our videos, believe in yourself, strive for greatness, and together let's achieve the impossible.